everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add image to frame in Canva. It's quite simple, all you have to do is follow along. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. Let's go to the uploads and let's choose image. Of course, let's choose this one over here, let's say for now, and let's say I want to put this in the frame, right? So all you have to do is go in here and type in frame. And there you go, and you'll be great a lot of frames. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. All you have to do is drag and put it over here, and yeah, let's say I want to put it in the circle frame, right? You can simply drag and drop in here. Oh wait, I think I have to like put it out of the frame. Yeah, detach image, and let's put this in this frame over here, and there you go. So this is how you add your image to a frame. You can use several frames. Let's say you use the heart one, you could simply detach again and put this in the heart one. And yeah, it's simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.